Hello everyone. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can reduce background noise from any video. So this is the video. I am going to take this video and reduce the background noise. I have edited this in After Effects. So let me import this first. I'm creating a sequence out of it like this. It's a very simple. You can just reduce background noise. So to reduce the background noise, open the essential sound panel from the Windows panel. Now select this clip, go to dialog, go to this repair option, it will be closed. Repair option, then turn on reduce noise, turn on reduce rumble, and play with this and turn on dehum. I'm just going with it, and it has improved a lot. I'm closing the panel and let me show you the difference. So this was the original clip. And this is the edited one. No sound at all. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.